Mostar, a city nestled along the Neretva River in southern Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a place where history, culture, and resilience intertwine to create a truly captivating tapestry. Over the centuries, it has transformed from a strategic Ottoman settlement into a vibrant modern city that retains its rich heritage and enduring spirit. The city's most iconic symbol is the Stari Most, or Old Bridge, which has become a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a global symbol of reconciliation and unity. Originally constructed in the 16th century under Ottoman rule, the bridge exemplifies Ottoman engineering prowess and aesthetic sensibility. Its elegant arch spans the river, connecting the two sides of the city and serving as a testament to the architectural ingenuity of that era. After being destroyed during the Bosnian War in 1993, the bridge was meticulously reconstructed and reopened in 2004, symbolizing the resilience of the local community and their commitment to peace and reconciliation. Mostar's history is deeply intertwined with the complex tapestry of Balkan politics and culture. The city has long been a crossroads of civilizations, influenced by Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian, and Yugoslav legacies. Walking through its narrow cobblestone streets, visitors encounter a diverse array of architectural styles, from Ottoman mosques and Turkish bazaars to Austro-Hungarian buildings and modern cafes. The blend of East and West in Mostar's urban landscape reflects its historical role as a melting pot of cultures, religions, and traditions. Religious diversity is vividly evident in Mostar. The city is home to several mosques, churches, and religious sites that illustrate its multicultural fabric. The Koski Mehmed Pasha Mosque, with its towering minaret, offers panoramic views of the city and the surrounding mountains. Nearby, the Catholic Cathedral of Mary, Mother of the Church, stands as a testament to the Christian community's enduring presence. These places of worship not only serve religious purposes but also function as cultural landmarks, fostering dialogue and understanding among different communities. The social fabric of Mostar has faced numerous challenges, particularly during the Bosnian War, which left scars on the city's architecture, population, and psyche. The war's impact is visible in the scars on buildings and the division of neighborhoods, yet it also underscores the resilience and hope that define Mostar's people. Today, efforts toward post-war recovery focus on rebuilding trust, fostering intercultural dialogue, and promoting economic development through tourism and local industries. Tourism plays a vital role in Mostar's economy and identity. The city attracts visitors from around the world eager to experience its historical sites, vibrant markets, and scenic landscapes. The Old Bazaar Kujunduzluk is a lively pedestrian street lined with shops selling handcrafted jewelry, traditional textiles, and souvenirs. Visitors often indulge in local Bosnian cuisine, cevapi, burek, and baklava, delicacies that reflect the city's diverse culinary heritage. Boat rides on the Neretva River offer picturesque views of the city's bridges, old town, and surrounding mountains, creating memorable experiences for travelers. Mostar's natural environment is equally captivating. The surrounding Dinaric Alps provide a stunning backdrop and outdoor adventure opportunities such as hiking, canyoning, and mountain biking. The nearby Kravis waterfalls are a natural wonder, with cascading waters forming emerald pools that attract swimmers and nature lovers alike. These natural features complement the city's historical and cultural attractions, creating a harmonious blend of nature and heritage. Education and cultural initiatives are vital to Mostar's ongoing development. The city hosts several institutions dedicated to preserving its history and promoting arts. The Mostar University plays a significant role in fostering academic growth and cross-cultural exchange. Art galleries, theaters, and festivals showcase local talent and celebrate cultural diversity. The annual Mostar Summer Festival features music, dance, and traditional performances, drawing visitors and residents together in shared celebration. Economically, Mostar has been focusing on sustainable development and innovation. Small businesses, startups, and artisans contribute to a dynamic local economy. The city's strategic position along transportation routes facilitates commerce and tourism. Efforts to preserve historical sites and promote ecotourism aim to ensure that future generations can enjoy and learn from Mostar's rich legacy. The resilience of Mostar's community is perhaps best exemplified by its ongoing efforts to reconcile the divisions of the past. Community-led projects promote intercultural dialogue, peace-building, and youth engagement. Schools incorporate history and cultural education programs that emphasize unity and shared identity. These initiatives foster hope that the city's future will be characterized by cooperation and mutual respect. Mostar also has a vibrant contemporary cultural scene. Musicians, artists, and writers draw inspiration from the city's complex history and diverse identity. Street art murals depict themes of peace, hope, and cultural fusion. Local cafes often host live music, poetry readings, and art exhibitions, creating a lively atmosphere that bridges tradition and modernity. The city's strategic importance historically extended to its role as a trading hub. Its markets have long been bustling centers of commerce, where merchants from various regions exchanged goods and ideas. Today, these markets continue to thrive, offering local produce, handcrafted goods, and cultural treasures that reflect the city's vibrant spirit. Environmental sustainability is increasingly prioritized in Mostar's urban planning. Initiatives aim to preserve the natural beauty of the surrounding landscapes, reduce pollution, and promote green spaces within the city. The integration of eco-friendly infrastructure and community involvement underscores Mostar's commitment to a sustainable future.